I'm packing the peanut. Vacuum pack. See? Preparing for my Yisang. Preparing for my Yisang business. Upcoming Chinese New Year. Come and support us. Homemade fresh Yisang. Oops. Here, very nice, well packed. All peanut and sesame seed. We vacuum pack to preserve the fragrance and the texture. It's very fresh. There are a couple of our last year customer, 2 years ago customer. They have already made the booking, you know. Yep, early booking to secure the order. So sometimes, right, I make alone. Sometimes, right, I'm alone also. I don't know how much I can make. Maybe 10, 15 or 20 boxes a day. It's a lot for me. One person, not a factory. Everything handmade. Scrape the vegetable, pack the peanut, make the sauce. All done by Song Jin. Don't forget to come and support us. If you like to have the fresh homemade Yisang, drop by and check out our Yisang. One by one packing, you know. It's not a factory. It's a home cook, pure home cook. The texture, the taste, and the love, all pure home cook. When I making the Yisang, I put so much love inside. Don't forget to come and support us. Thank you.